Platinum against US dollar this week has lost its value. We can see the price has started. The price has closed the previous week with this bullish candle. Then the price gone above, reaching 980.32 resistance level, then bounced back down. So the price did not form this bullish candle body, but instead it has formed a bearish pink bar right here at the resistance level, and we can see the price continue to fall down with the next day. On a Wednesday, the price gone all the way back down, closing below 942.52 support level, and we can see the price has formed this bullish candle, just confirming the previous support, now acting as a resistance because the price could not return back up. Okay, I can see this one, it was not very good put here. Just a minute to see where this should go. Here it is. So the price has continued to fall down on a Friday, formed this bearish candle, where the price is currently just in between this resistance 942 and support 912. Weekly time frame shows us currently that we have a bearish candle where the price has gone and formed this bearish engulfing candle, encompassing the previous week and also going below this support level, which is indicating a pretty strong selling pressure. A monthly time frame has closed, and it is just a continuation of this one, which was expected that the price will continue to fall down. Where the price could stop, you can also check in the previous week analysis. This was also mentioned that could happen. So where the price is heading, as it looks right now, it is heading towards this one 893.27, and we can see the price has reached this support level, which is a very important one, but it is pointing that it will continue to fall down even more. This area, it is much more clear visible on the daily time frame. I will show that, but it is expected, I'm expecting when the price reaches this support level, it will bounce back up, like in this example. See, if whenever the price has reached this support, bounce it back up, reaching support, bounce back up, reaching support, bounce back up, reaching again support, trying to make a bearish breakout, bouncing back up. So it is expected that the price will bounce from this area because it is a very important support level for the price. The weekly time frame shows us information that 893.27 is the next one, but we can see that the first support level where the price could reach is this area around this one. It is around 907. After that, the next level will be below that. 912 is the next one, much more clear visible here on the daily time frame. This is the next support level for the price, where the price is heading. After that, if the price goes down, it is 893.27 on the weekly and the monthly time frame, a very important support level. Now we can see everything is pointing for the bearish movement, so this is something that I am expecting, that the price will continue to fall down. But I will also share the daily analysis with the traders inside Telegram group, which will be completely free, so you can also join to check the daily updates, what happens during the week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.